This is the S26 Aura exercise bike by Merach. It is a budget-friendly exercise bike with a swivel 15.6-inch HD screen. And I'm super thankful that I was sent this bike to review inside this video because there are a lot of features that pique my interest. We'll be going over everything that you need to know about this bike and whether or not it's worth picking up. To put together the exercise bike, it's pretty straightforward, and I was so excited to see that there really wasn't that many screws to deal with. I started off with putting on both of the stabilizers. One had wheels for the front and the other one was a stabilizer for the back. I then moved on to the seat post, adding the weight holder and the seat itself. From there, I moved on to the most difficult part of the build, but it really was pretty simple overall, and that was adding the handlebars as well as the holder for the screen, connecting the wires, and adding the water bottle holder. It probably took me less than 15 minutes to put the bike together because all the screws are already in place. And this was the final result. The number one question I had when unboxing this bike is whether or not I could stream movies, TV shows, YouTube videos to the screen while biking. And the answer is yes, you can definitely do that. It works by mirroring your screen on your phone to the screen on the bike. So we'll go ahead and click on this drone footage here. And then I'll click on the screen mirroring button. And now it is mirroring my iPhone, so I can flip this into landscape mode. I can hit play on this video here, and we could watch it on the main screen. It also has two speakers, so you can listen to your movies and TV shows as well. For the ride test, I'll go ahead and demo how to use the bike without the app connection, because you can use it just standard with the screen and the stats and the manual resistance knob. So I'll go ahead and just start pedaling, and it will show me my duration, my distance, my current speed, resistance, and calories burned. And if I want to increase the resistance, I would just turn this knob, and one full turn will up it one resistant level. So now I'm at 5. If I turn it all the way around again, now I'm at 6, and it's getting much harder to pedal. If you're someone who likes to use a lot of resistance, you're going to have quite a few different levels here that really make it engaging and a tough workout. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you how to use the app to do a video workout on the bike. It's pretty simple. Once you're connected with the app, you click on whatever workout you want to do, then you hit start, and then all you have to do is mirror your phone to the actual screen here, and the video with the workout will pop up, and it will show you all of your stats there at the bottom. And this is probably my preferred way to use this bike, just because you have the instructor on the screen, you have all of your stats, and they're telling you exactly which resistance level to be in during the workout. Let's go over all the different features and what you can expect from the screen as well as the app. Start at the bottom of the bike and work our way up. We do have wheels, making it very easy to move this bike around if you do need to relocate it. From there, we do have straps on the pedals for your shoes, and these do work really well. We then have an adjustable seat post, so all you have to do is just unscrew this piece right here, and you can maneuver the seat up and down, and there are different holes that you could lock it into place. You also have the ability to move the seat back and forth, and we have a dumbbell holder in the back. We also have an emergency push to stop button located at the middle of the bike, 2 extra large water bottle holders, and of course the screen itself with all of the data that you would need to see while riding the bike. For example, we have duration, we also have distance, calories, RPM, resistance, and speed. But what really makes this bike unique and usable is going to be the connection to the app. All you have to do is choose your equipment, so we would have an exercise bike, and then we can connect our exercise bike. From there, we click Start Now. It will then go through and ask you a series of questions on what your training experience is. I'll go ahead and click on Intermediate, and then you have to select how many days you work out. I work out about 4 days a week, and that's probably accurate for me as well. And now it's going to create a personalized plan. The personalized plan gives you workouts that you can choose from on every given day. So right now it is Thursday, so I could choose from a low intensity adaptive ride, or a beginner speed changing fat burning ride, or a 30-minute strength steady ride, etc. There's quite a few that you can choose from, and it will go through and give you one for every single day of the week. This is what the home screen of the app looks like. You have your workout plan, then we also have pro level classes, programs that you can select. And if we go down here, we can click on workouts, and we could do a quick start workout, we could do a duration workout, or a distance workout. From there, we have all of our stats: calories burned, workout, active days, distance, so you can keep track of how far you've been on your bike. And lastly, you have your profile page where you can earn badges. It may just be one of the best exercise bikes that you can get on Amazon. In the end, the S26 delivers an efficient and fun to use exercise bike with an HD screen that you can mirror your phone on. It was super quiet, easy to build, and it has plenty of resistance to get a solid workout. I was honestly really impressed by this exercise bike. It exceeded my expectations, and it's definitely going to become the new standard of exercise bike in my home. I plan on using this thing daily to get some cardio workouts in, and I think you guys will like it too. Thank you so much for watching this video review, and I hope that it helped. My name's David, and I do product reviews, product comparisons, and top 5 best videos. If you're into that kind of stuff, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for the next review.